This 5-minute video can help you answer crucial exam questions of INICET and NEET MDS. We anticipate at least one question from the physical properties of dental materials in these exams. The physical properties syllabus is quite vast and it's easy to feel overwhelmed or lost in this topic. That's why concept maps and mind maps are extremely helpful tools. They aid in retaining complex information efficiently. And here's the best part. At the end of this video, we'll share details on how you can get free access to the mind map PDF and a free test to master this topic. So don't miss out. Hello doctors, this is Dr. Shivam Bhardwaj. Today we are going to discuss a topic that has consistently appeared in past exams, making it essential for your preparation, and the topic is hardness test. What is hardness? Hardness, previously it was known as the ability to resist the surface scratches. But the most accepted newer definition is the ability of the material to resist the indentations. And based on this particular definition, we have multiple hardness tests that are proposed for dental materials. So there are of course many, but we will be discussing five important hardness tests that we'll be discussing today. These are going to be first the Brinell hardness test, then we have the Rockwell hardness test, the Vickers hardness test, and the Knoop hardness test. These are the four main, and the fifth one is the Shore and Barkol hardness test. So first of all, let's discuss the Brinell's hardness test. Brinell's hardness test, this test was first designed for gold. But remember students, it is not the ideal test for gold. Although it was designed, but it is not the ideal test for gold. And in this test, basically we use an indenter, which is a steel ball of 10 mm of diameter, and a uniform force is applied through the indenter. When we apply the force on this, it creates the indentation in the object. There will be of course a hemispherical kind of indentation. So we measure the diameter of this indentation and calculate the hardness of the material. Basically, the hardness is generally calculated by force upon area formula. Okay. Now, how much force do you apply? The force generally uses 3000 kilogram force, that is 29 kilonewtons forces. Okay. Brinell hardness test depends on the tensile strength of the material and hence is directly proportional to the percentage elongation. It is used for metal and metallic substance. This test is not employed for measuring the hardness of plastic and elastic substance. So, which test is used to measure this thing? The test is Shore and Barkol, which we will be dealing with in upcoming part of this video.